All right, today we're going to start on Hudson Hornet. What I'm going to build with this is Herb Thomas's 1951 championship car. I know, like, the taillights for sure are different and a couple other things, but they don't make a 51 kit, so I'm going to use a 52. This is the first Moebius model that I've built, but they look like they're pretty good quality, so I'm looking forward to getting started on it. But the next Hudson I do will be Tim Flock's 52 Hudson Hornet. So I'm going to open up the box and we'll look at the parts and go from there. First up, we got the chrome tree. So we've got some grills and bumpers there. There's the rest of the chrome tree. There's a glass. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic, but I mean, it's clear. Looks really nice. The red taillights there. Tire and axle. There's the body and the chassis pan. And this body looks great. Really well detailed. And there's the, like I said, the floor pan there. Looks like wheel backs, suspension sway bars probably, springs. There's the frame, separate than the chassis pan. There's your engine stuff. Engine halves, cylinder head, oil pan, air filters. Alright, there's the seats and the door panels. Alright, there's the hood, the rear end, dash panel, drive shaft. And the last full tree, leaf springs, exhaust, seat back, and then the four wheels are just right in the bag there. So the last thing I got is the instruction sheet and the decals that come with it. Alright, so first it comes with this. It kind of tells you how to cut out the rear skirt for the tire, to not cut it right at that notch, to go a 1/4 inch back. Just kind of let you know about that. Here's the instructions. Gives you step-by-step on everything to do, like they're supposed to. They got color detail on how to paint it, which is nice. And then on the back is factory body colors for Hudson, and then, you know, what should be, you know, flat rubber, flat black, burnt iron, you know, on down the list, what everything should be color-wise, which is cool. And then it's got decals, obviously. I'll be using part of these. I won't be using everything. Everything on that sheet I'll be using. It's, you know, Speedo, dash panel, decals, emblems, the emblems for the air cleaners. And it also comes with this sheet, which I won't be using on this one. I'll use it on the when I do the 52. And then that's everything that's in the kit. What I will be using for this is this set of decals here for Herb Thomas, the number 92, and the fabulous Hudson Hornet. Using all that. And the paint we'll be using, let me just shake it up a little bit here. It's a paint called Hudson Pacific Blue. That's all I'll be using is from scalefinishes.com. It should be, from my research with the car I'm doing, that should be the proper color. So we will see. Because a lot of them they've got a lot of different shades of blue. Hudson did back in 51 through 53. Like, I think they had about, you know, 4 or 5 shades of blue. So as long as it's close, I'm fine with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So anyways, I'm gonna get started on this thing, and I'll be back next time to show you an update. Thank you for watching.